Once upon a time in a land where animals could talk, there lived a clumsy but well-meaning panda named Polly. Polly was known throughout the forest for her constant clumsiness. She would trip over her own feet, knock things over, and generally create chaos wherever she went. One sunny morning, Polly decided to try her hand at baking. She had seen the other animals making delicious treats, and she wanted to join in on the fun. Armed with a recipe and a mixing bowl, she set off on her baking adventure. As Polly gathered the ingredients, she realized she was missing one crucial thing: flour. She wobbled her way to the pantry, but in her usual clumsy fashion, she accidentally knocked over a bag of flour. Clouds of flour filled the air, and Polly sneezed, covering herself in a white powdery mess. Undeterred, Polly brushed herself off and attempted to measure the flour, but she ended up spilling even more all over the kitchen. She giggled as flour-covered footprints marked her path across the floor. Finally, Polly managed to mix the ingredients together, although the kitchen now looked like a flour explosion had occurred. With a determined grin, she popped the batter into the oven. As the delicious aroma of baking goodies filled the air, Polly's animal friends began to gather around her kitchen. They were curious about what Polly was up to this time. Polly proudly opened the oven, expecting to reveal a perfect batch of treats, but instead, she found a heap of gooey, unrecognizable mess. Polly's friends burst into laughter.